All right, let's look at sectioning in an assembly and what happens when we try to section content center components. Primarily happens with fasteners, of course. That's the most commonly used items out of a content center, but it happens with all content center items. If I look at the View ribbon tab on the visibility panel and I generate a half section, let's say I go right down the middle on that plane. There's an option in your application options by default on the assembly tab. There's a checkbox for section all parts. By default on a new install, this is turned off and your results look like this. Content center components are not sectioned. So you can turn that on. Again, this is graphical. If I go back into the application options, assembly tab, turn on section all parts, hit OK, it now sections those content center items, which for the most case, no, we don't really care about seeing content center parts sectioned like that. But for clarity, sometimes this is needed.